Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to make money online selling land in Lagos, Nigeria. You can as well apply these strategies in any other states in Nigeria. So one, before you start selling any land in Lagos or any part of Nigeria, you first of all pick a reputable real estate company. You join them as a realtor. So after that, you select a particular property like a land in a developing areas such as Ibejuleki or Epe local government and stuff like that, and you go for an inspection. You must go for an inspection. You can't say what you've not seen or stuff. So after going for an inspection, you still pick like a surveyor or probably a lawyer to do your due diligence on that particular property. Like if you're going there with like a surveyor to pick coordinates for land verification and stuff like that, just to confirm if the land is actually free from government acquisition and things like that. So you go with your surveyor to do that, and you might probably pay that person some money, probably say within 20-30k and stuff like that. So after doing your due diligence, if the property is okay and everything, then you must select a proper title, like a very nice title. So I meant picking the right land title document. Like in Lagos, there are many land titles such as Accession, Gazette, different land titles like that. But if you want to read more about that, I'll add a link in the description of this video, or you can just google up like how understanding land titles in Lagos and things like that, because Lagos properties are different different than other lands in other states. Places like Port, you don't need any of those accession, gazette and stuff like that when you want to purchase any piece of land and things like that. So after that, you now create your Facebook or Instagram page. After doing that, you can just add your pictures, or you can just create a logo, just set up a simple real estate agency page and things like that, and you start running your campaign. Probably when you join the real estate company, they will provide you all the marketing informations about those land and things like that. And also when you're doing the inspection, you can also take some videos, and also you can just say just few things about the place and things like that, like benefit of people buying that land and just stuff like that. You can also watch on YouTube to see how other real estate agencies do advertise their properties online, and you learn from that. And you just, the marketing itself will never take you, it won't cost you much, like that, probably 5 to 10k, things like that. But the more money you spend, the more prospect you keep getting. And if the advert can bring up to like 100 persons, say 5 or 10% might probably turn up for that. And some of these real estate companies, they offer up to like 20%. That's for commission alone, yeah, for one property and things like that. So imagine if you're bringing, like, say a client for a land of like 2 million. Guess how much? If the real estate company is paying like 20%, that's you can do the math yourself, stuff like that. So it's very lucrative, and it won't take much of your time and stuff like that. So have a nice day. Peace.